In this video of app tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to verify your Facebook account. If you also want to have that blue tick mark or that blue badge on your Facebook profile, let me show you how it's done. Open up your Facebook app and tap on the menu on the top right. From this menu, you just need to scroll down, tap on Help and Support, and tap on Help Center. From the Help Center of Facebook, tap on the search bar and search for verification. Once you do, these options will open up. You just need to head over to the first one, which says request a verified badge on Facebook. Through this section, you'll be able to see some of the details that you need to know about having the badge on Facebook. You can see the requirements that you need, and you can also tap on see the eligibility criteria for more criteria that you need. Once you have all that fulfilled, you can tap on fill in this form, and you'll be presented with a short form that you need to fill in. Firstly, select what are you trying to verify, either your page or your profile. Select that option, and if you selected the page option, you'll need to select the page that you have. So just select the page, and in the second step, you'll need to confirm your authenticity or your identity. So you'll need to upload your identity document. Just tap on this arrow and choose from these options. Secondly, you'll need to upload a photo of the document that you selected. In the next step, you'll need to confirm your notability, which is related to the type of category that you have and the type of audience that you have. So just tap on the category option and pick the category that you're on. If you don't see a category right here, you can tap on others. Next, you'll need to type in your region or your country. And in the next two steps, you can type in your audience. So what kind of audience that you have and what type of content do they prefer. You can also type in your additional name. So if you have any other username that you are known as on other platforms, you can type it in. Lastly, you can add in different kinds of links to your socials, such as your Instagram link, your YouTube channel link, or any other type of social media that you have. You can add up to 5 links, and after you add it and filled in all this information, you can just tap on send. And if you have all the criteria matched, you'll get a notification and your badge on Facebook will be successfully added to your Facebook account or your page. So that's the exact process on how to verify Facebook account. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.